This drywall was delivered, and you can see it's quite crooked. The way it was stacked is very weighty. This is going to be hung on a ceiling. If you hang crooked drywall on a ceiling, you may end up with crooked seams on that ceiling that will be very difficult to hide. So one solution for that is get the drywall in a few days early, stack it flat on the floor. That'll flatten the drywall out, so then when you hang it on the ceiling, it'll be much easier to hide those seams. This is a large ceiling on a remodeling job. We remove walls, so we end up removing the whole drywall ceiling for electrical work. But down here on this end, where the dining room was, we did not remove the ceiling. But instead of cutting the drywall right off along the ceiling joist and then putting a nailer on that edge, we've cut the drywall so it floats in between the two panels. Behind the drywall, we've installed rock splicers, back blocking, which will actually pull the drywall up and create a very easy to hide, very stable seam. The back blocker is actually just a piece of material with slightly recessed center and raised edges. This is what helps create that very stable, very easy to hide seam.
Yep.
Okay, what we have here is quite a long ceiling. The entire length of the room is it's about 42 feet. I'm worried about expansion and contraction on this ceiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to install an expansion joint right along this transition from this bathroom into this hallway. Because if any place in this whole ceiling is going to crack or cause a ridge, it's going to be right here on this very narrow area. So I'm going to install an expansion bead in this ceiling later. What that requires is I'm going to leave about a ½ inch gap between this drywall and that drywall, and this will just simply go up in that ceiling. And once it's taped and finished, the ceiling can actually expand and contract and not cause a crack in this ceiling.